Fine. This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. US markets, what to say? I think now US market is more than 10-12% higher from the recent low. I think sanity returns to Trump. So he's not talking anything very bad. Although China announced that, so there is no negotiation with the US, but US has been silent. Otherwise, US will say 400% tax, 500% tax. So this time they are keeping quiet. I said very, very clearly, as long as Trump is keeping quiet, markets will go higher. The day he starts talking, things will go haywire. So as far as Indian markets are concerned, so I told you when the 23,800 was crossed, I said, there is no more resistance from here. The next resistance is only at 24,800. Why 24,800? It was very simple. The very first time when the markets fell in last October, from 26,300 to 23,300, a 3,000 point fall. And then it retraced 1,500 point to 24,800. And then the selling started. And then you know the story. Nifty went below 22,000, not one time, two time. And now it has made a double bottom there. And then after that, the markets moved significantly higher, more than 10% move. So therefore, technically, the 22,000 has become a very, very, very strong support. Is a double bottom support in the long-term perspective. Although you can say, first time it went to 21,950, second time it went to 21,750, a 200-point difference. But in a long-term chart, that's okay. And only for the short term, you have to see by number. But long term, you may remember my analogy, if a car is going with 100 kilometer speed, even if you apply a brake, it will move another 10 feet, 20 feet. So that is always there, the speed with which the ferocious fall, especially, the Trump tariff fear, it can overshoot a little bit. So otherwise, 22,000 is going to be a very, very, very strong support. And any fall in the market, one can use that as an opportunity to sell put option at 22,000 and below. And if you look at May series, or June series, or December series, options 22,000 and below, they are trading with a very good premium. Especially May series, the premiums are really very, very high. So yesterday I checked, I think even 21,500 put was trading around 78, 80 rupees. So that's a very, very good premium, considering that is nearly a 2,000 point away and considering the bullishness in the market. So just 2 days markets consolidated and now the rally seems to be resuming. The GIFT Nifty indicates about a 150, 160 point gap up. But at the same time, the people also believe that, the upside may be limited. So it's not unlimited. If you can remember, just last few months, the rollover charges, which means that the difference between the current month future and the next month future, the Nifty was trading around 150, 200 points. But now it has come down a little bit. And not only that, the people think the run-up in Bank Nifty is over. So from here, the probability of Bank Nifty shooting up is very, very low. So that's why the Nifty current month future and next month future, there was about 120, 130 point premium. The Bank Nifty current month future and next month future was less than 100 point premium. I do not know about the closing, but during the market hours I checked, there was hardly 70, 80 point premium. So the Bank Nifty premium should be at least 2 times the Nifty premium, but whereas, it is less than half of that premium. So that shows that, although markets are bullish and also the people think that, the upside potential is limited for the markets. So that's why I stick to my opinion that 24,800 is going to be a good resistance. Rest of the things we will see today evening. Reliance Industries will be coming out with the results. I always say the first trading session, Friday, market sometimes can be very, very trending. So be careful. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.